now me and Kehlani are just chilling right here, waiting for Mama. Hi, baby. Say hi. Hi. So now she definitely likes to play with all these toys. This is just a little book. Yep. It's barely been a couple days that she's been able to sit by herself, like hold herself up, but she's getting there. Well, guess who's home?
Me.
Oh my god, me and Kehlani were waiting for you all day. Oh my god. All day. Well, last time I was actually washing my car, and look at this. Here, let me turn on the light for you guys. There, now that you can see way better. Like, it even took a part of the tire. So eventually, I want to switch out these wheels to 20-inch. The thing literally about living in Colorado is like, you can never keep your car clean. So like 3 years ago, I actually got these rims, and now they're so effed up. Like, all the salt from the snow, the ones that they throw on the ground or something, all those machines, you know how it is. Like, now I literally have to wash them every time it snows because I don't have spare tires and rims for this.
Did you see it? You're so
Oh my. Hola mis compas, aquí en el car wash, lavando el carrito, getting ready for a car meet. That drip. A ver. Woo! Dang. Woo! It was good, G.
Where's that fluffing at? Where's the popcorn maker at?
Yeah, it's untuned.
I know, where is it at, huh?
What you got there, player? Modelo time. You know, like a mellow.
What's up, guys? We just got back from a car meet. That was kind of boring.
Yeah, it was a little boring. There's way better ones on the weekend. Right now we're filming this on a weekday. Everybody works, so it's understandable. My car was misfiring too, so I'm not that pleased about that. I'm gonna fix that. We're gonna try to make it out for you guys to a better one. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, leave comments, even hater comments. I don't care. I love them all. All of you are welcome. Peace out.